Today I show you how to delete duplicate photos on your iPad. To find all the photos on your iPad, open the Photos app, and here I have a few test pictures, and I want to show you how easy it is to find and delete duplicate photos. You're actually merging the pictures and get the best out of both copies of the picture. And to find the duplicates, go to this menu. You have the utilities, and under utilities look for duplicates. I tapped here on duplicates, and now I see the duplicate photos on my iPad, and you see most of them are the same size, but these two, for example, this is 377 and the other one is 391. So I could use this as an example on merging the photos to get the best quality. You have the option to select all the pictures if you want. You can select merge all of them, and I will do this only for one pair. So 377, 391, it's the same picture. You can get information about the photo where it's saved from. So this one was saved from Canva, and the same saved from Canva, 377 and 391. So let's try it. I'll go back and I'll choose the merge option for these two photos, tap on merge, and merging will keep one version of the duplicates that combines the highest quality and relevant data. That's great, and it will move the other one to the recently deleted. Merge to items. Now I can see the actual photo. Okay, so I think it was this one. Let's see. It's 391. Yeah, so now I have only one picture like this. I still have more duplicates, so I'll go to duplicates again, and there are all these photos. All these photos are duplicates, and I will merge all these pictures in one step. I'll show you now how easy it is to do it. You tap on select all. So all the pictures are selected, and I choose merge 20. But it's important to merge only the exact copies. Duplicates include both the exact copies and may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be the same but may have unique resolutions file formats. So I will choose to merge only exact copies just for safety, to make sure everything is safe. And now only these are left, and these ones are different. So I will choose select all, merge for items, and now it's empty. Now I can see all the pictures here, and there are still some pictures that look like they are duplicates, but the duplicates that it found, they are removed now, so I could see them in the recently deleted. I need to use Face ID for that. And now there are no duplicates here. So in utilities, if you don't see the option for duplicates, it means you don't have duplicates. That's all. That's how easy it is to find and delete duplicate photos on your iPad. Thanks for watching.